English-Hungarian. Can equals.
Tud.
Laugh and learn fast. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, great to have you here. Today you level up your Hungarian superpower with smiles and speed. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice. Your mission. Link can to.
Tud.
In all the forms you actually use.
Tudok. Tudsz. Tud. Ő tud. Tudunk. Tudtok. Ők tudnak.
Ready? Let's roll. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every form naturally and confidently. Say it out loud with me. Can equals.
Tud.
I can equals.
Tudok.
You can, singular, equals.
Tudsz.
He can equals.
Tud.
She can equals.
Ő tud.
It can equals.
Tud.
We can equals.
Tudunk.
You can, plural, equals.
Tudtok.
They can equals.
Ők tudnak.
Funny doorway dialogue. Let's eavesdrop on a door that only opens for good Hungarian. You steer the scene. A. Can you help me carry this? If you can, say.
Tudsz.
B. I can.
Tudok.
Door. Be polite. Ask if it can open. A. It can open?
Tud.
Nylni? The door giggles and creaks. C. She can hold the door.
Ő tud.
Segíteni. D. We can push together.
Tudunk.
Coach, offscreen, you can, plural, do it, team.
Tudtok.
Crowd. They can lift it.
Ők tudnak.
The hinges applaud. Say it after me, rhythm drill. Clap once and repeat boldly. Smile, mistakes welcome, I can.
Tudok.
You can, singular.
Tudsz.
He can.
Tud.
She can.
Ő tud.
It can.
Tud.
We can.
Tudunk.
You can, plural.
Tudtok.
They can.
Ők tudnak.
Bonus negation. I can't.
Nem tudok.
You can't, singular.
Nem tudsz.
Culture tip. Ability versus permission. Tiny tip, huge clarity, so you sound like a local. Use.
Tud.
For ability, can, know how, she can swim equals.
Ő tud.
Ushnai. Use permission words for may, allowed.
Szabad.
Or.
Lehet.
Example. You may sit here equals it.
Szabad.
Alna. So ability, can equals.
Tud.
Permission, may equals.
Szabad.
Slash.
Lehet.
Your Hungarian just got sharper. Quick quiz time. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the key after a pause. Only you can decide. Fill the blank. Only you ___ decide. Answer.
Tudsz.
We can start now. Say the Hungarian main word for can. Answer.
Tudunk.
He can help later. The can word is. Answer.
Tud.
They can come tomorrow. The can phrase is. Answer.
Ők tudnak.
30-second challenge. Ready to flex? Build these out loud in 30 seconds. I can cook tonight equals.
Tudok.
Ma este fazni. You can, singular, call me later equals.
Tudsz.
Később hívni. She can drive equals.
Ő tud.
Vezetni. It can wait equals.
Tud.
Varni. We can work together equals.
Tudunk.
Együtt dolgozni. You can, plural, start now equals most.
Tudtok.
Kezdeni. They can help with the boxes equals.
Ők tudnak.
Segíteni a dobozokkal. Wrap up and high five. You did great, seriously. Lock it in with one last smile. Today you mastered can in Hungarian.
Tud, tudok, tudsz, ő tud, tudunk, tudtok, ők tudnak.
Keep practicing a minute a day and you will fly. Thanks for listening. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.